Are you familiar with systematic sampling and its potential drawbacks? Systematic sampling involves selecting every nth element from a population for inclusion in a sample. One disadvantage is that it may introduce bias if the sampling frame has an underlying pattern. For example, if the population is sorted in a certain way, the sample may not be representative. Another disadvantage is that it may reduce the variability in the sample compared to random sampling. This means that the sample may not capture the full range of characteristics present in the population. Systematic sampling is also sensitive to periodic fluctuations or patterns in the population. Consequently, the sample may not accurately reflect changes occurring throughout the population over time. Moreover, systematic sampling requires a well-defined sampling frame, which may be challenging to obtain. If a perfect sampling frame is lacking, it may result in an incomplete or biased sample. Additionally, systematic sampling is non-random, which means it may not provide an equal chance of selection for every individual. This can lead to underrepresentation or overrepresentation of certain groups in the sample. Another potential disadvantage is that systematic sampling can be more time-consuming compared to other sampling methods. It requires the identification of a starting point and a consistent interval for selecting sample elements. Furthermore, systematic sampling may not be appropriate for studying rare occurrences in a population. If rare events are evenly distributed, systematic sampling may not capture enough of these occurrences for analysis. Given these disadvantages, it is essential to carefully consider the limitations of systematic sampling before using it in research or data collection.